Welcome back, guys. Today I'm showing you a couple updates to the shop. First of all, I had to remount my Anvil. The red oak stump that I had a little bit of a soft spot in the center. I found it, didn't like it, and for the long term, I replaced it. I happened to find another red oak that was freshly cut, exactly the same size, which was awesome. And what I did was I just remounted everything with the long hardware, a little bit of silicone, put my vise in there, everything's super solid. I treated the outside with Shoshugiban, if I'm pronouncing that right. I charred it and I treated it with oil, and hopefully it looks pretty good, and hopefully lasts a very long time. That was quite a bit of a workout to get done, but I also have something else to show you today. As you might have seen from a previous video, I have my forge mounted on top of a welding cart, which works out great because the propane tank can sit underneath, everything's compact. The trouble is, carts don't move very well on a gravel floor. So what I had to do is develop a rail system so that I can move the forge closer to my work area, closer to the anvil, when I need it that close, and I can move it further away when I need a little more space. What I did was develop a rail system using C-channel out of an old bed frame. As a matter of fact, I mounted it into the gravel. I used spikes to secure them into the gravel, about a foot long each, 4 spikes total. And what I have now is just a nice, robust rail system for this welding cart turned forge cart. As you can see, if you manage to keep the gravel out of the rails, which isn't too hard at all, maybe 1 or 2 pieces gets in there every so often, you just pop them out, it slides pretty easily back and forth. And I found that this system is, not only is it convenient, obviously you see sliding back and forth is pretty easy, but it's safety wise, it keeps the cart itself very stable. There's no shifting from side to side. It's just moving in one direction or the other, and there's no tipping of the casters. There's no like dragging it across a bumpy surface or anything like that. So really, I'm very happy with this. This ended up being a happy little solution, and I'd just like to share with you guys, just in case there's other guys out there using gravel floors or dirt floors and they need carts to be moving around. This rail system, it's not new, obviously, worked out perfectly for me. So, here, enjoy. You like it, hit like, hit subscribe, and see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.